1 maxed out MacBook Pro, 1 iPad Pro. Yo, this is Oscar, and I am coming back to the design world. Will these tools help me become a professional product designer within these couple of months? Welcome to my YouTube series on Dodefy, my journey to becoming a product designer.
Welcome back to another episode on Dodefy, my journey to becoming a product designer. So I know I haven't uploaded in around 2 weeks, but I was really busy. Last week I actually had my Springboard start date, which was May 26th week, and it was pretty hectic because I had a lot of things going on, and I'm a little behind now, but I need to catch up, and I'm doing the catch up right now because I am dedicating more time to it. So basically the Dodefy website, I redesigned it. It was black, the entire website was black with white strips, white triangles, stuff like that, and I felt like I needed more color, brightness, because I felt like the dark colors was super difficult to read on the screen. So I ended up adding colors and changing it to a clear, more bright website. So check out my website. It's www.dodefy.com. I'll link it in the description below so you guys can check it out. So anyways, also volunteered for Forgen a couple hours last week, and I would say that the website is actually doing good. Right now we're actually doing testing, which we're testing the interaction of users and see how users interact and changing it based on that. So looking at the Google Analytics, looking at the bounce rate, the X rate, and the average time duration of the page would determine how to change the whole layout of the website page. So that's what we're doing at Forgen, and right now we're currently increasing in traffic, so it's pretty good. Around 300 to 400 users a day, so that's awesome, and hoping to increase that pretty soon. Also, sorry, I'm talking a little fast, but I feel like I have a lot to say. So anyways, what I learned on my Springboard was that you should know what all the user experience design roles are. So basically what a user researcher is: a user experience designer, user interface designer, brand designer, visual designer, front-end designer, front-end developer, and motion designer. They're all different. They play a different role in a team, so you should know the difference between all that. And I feel like it's very important to know all those in order to understand the actual field of becoming a product designer, UX designer, or UI designer. So I strongly recommend to look that up, and I'll probably do a video about those specific fields in more detail. So hit the subscribe button, the notifications, so you guys could actually be alerted when this video actually comes up. So yeah, that pretty much sums up my whole week. Oh yeah, one more thing. I forgot to include that I was actually in order to become a good user interface designer, you gotta know how to replicate other designs through either Adobe XD, Figma, Sketch, all those prototyping tools, and feel comfortable and know how to use it. And once you actually know how to use it, you can either practice while you're replicating another design, or do it on scratch, new layer. So I feel like it could actually help you out a ton if you would like to get your favorite application and take a screenshot and then transfer it into that program, and then use the tools and then create 2 layers, one with the actual screenshot of the application, and then the other one with it being blank, and just replicate with all the tools that you have, make it look the same. I think that's actually great UI practice, so I strongly recommend that as well. I ended up doing the Apple Music app, which I really like a lot. I feel like it has a good user interface and also user experience. I enjoyed doing the video, the actual sketching and drawing. and I'll include it in the end of this video and just a fast forward of my actual work of replicating this design. Yeah, so hope you guys like it. Leave a comment what you guys think of it, and stay tuned. Well, for the next one, peace out.